Donald drops new border wall command on Congress after Supreme Court act. This past week has brought us some major wins thanks to the Supreme Court. Thank your lucky stars. President Trump selected Neil Gorsuch to replace Antonin Scalia, or else this week could have been very bad for America. Gorsuch has been tipping the scales on numerous cases, being the difference in many of them. The Supreme Court ruled this week that Trump's travel ban was constitutional. We knew this. The only reason it was contested was because an Obama buddy in Hawaii had the audacity to do so. Radical, liberal judges seek to undermine the president's lawful authority. Thankfully, there are enough justices on the Supreme Court who know the law better. Thanks to that win, the president is on a roll. He met with top leaders in Congress to finally pass legislation that will secure his biggest campaign promise. Looks like there's no stopping him now. From Breitbart. President Donald Trump wasted no time pressing forward on his campaign promise to protect the country's borders after the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of his travel restriction order from 8 foreign countries. The president met with members of Congress on Tuesday, urging them to fund his promised wall on the southern border. "We're discussing today the funding of the wall, which we very much need," Trump said to reporters at the White House. "We started the wall, we're spending a lot of energy and a lot of time, we're going to ask for an increase in wall spending so we can finish it quicker." He criticized the current immigration laws as a hodgepodge and urged Congress to act quickly to simplify the laws. The last 2 weeks have brought unprecedented opposition to Trump's immigration policy. From the media, of course. The Democrats lack any political power to change a thing. So, they relied on the fake news media to push out stories about Trump's cruelty to illegal aliens and their children. Americans weren't fooled. Do you find Patriot Journal articles helpful and valuable? Then comment with your thoughts below, and share this story with your friends and family. After breathless coverage of the crisis at the border, Americans only realized we need to get tougher. Nobody has the right to violate the borders of a country. We deserve secure borders and a wall to keep Americans safe. With the Supreme Court win over the travel ban, President Trump has leverage. This win vindicates his policies to put America first. The president will do everything in his power to protect citizens from outside dangers.